Hello there and pretty welcome back to another exciting video. Suppose you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so. In that case, I'll show you how to earn for $1,269 online without any investment, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do it, we're about to find out. Hi, I'm Jave, and if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notification on. It's free and you can always change your mind later. In that way, you will be notified whenever I upload new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it and of course make the most money. Now let's get started. Think about this for a second. How cool would it be getting paid even while you sleep doing nothing? Well, it doesn't actually matter what device you're using right now. You will still get paid. This brand new method is available worldwide. You can do this from anywhere in the world. With that said, I want you to comment down below and let me know from which country you are watching this video from. In that way, I can create specific videos for your region in my future videos. So I'll be showing you today a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make thousands of dollars a day on autopilot without having to do clicks or watching ads. So you don't need to invest any money at all. This brand new method is perfect for newbies. Definitely watch this video all the way through because I'll be giving you a bunch of exclusive bonus tips that will help you maximize your earnings than other people. Please don't skip the video because I will be sharing a new method how you can earn more money with these strategy. With that being said, let's jump straight into this brand new method. The first thing you need to do is to visit this website, which is shrinkme.io. I know you might already be thinking, oh, I've already watched a video like this. I promise you that it isn't the same, so stick with me and pay a close attention. Shrinkme.io is a link shortening site which realistically will pay you for every link you shorten. That sounds too good to be true, right? First of all, head to this site and sign up for a completely free account. I will be sharing with you how you can use this site and earn even more money completely free while you sleep. If you find this video interesting, please hit the like button below, for it encourages me to create more videos like this one right here. Now let's go back to the video. Without wasting much time, let's head to Digistore24.com. We don't need to buy any product. We don't need to ship any product. Now I will give you the first bonus tip. I want you to pay close attention. When you go to Digistore24.com, on this website, you're able to find various products which we can promote and get paid. As you see, the prices ranging from this to that, and it's completely free hot cash. Head over to the search box right here and search for weight loss. You'll see different products of which we can promote for free and get paid. For this video, I want you to focus on fitness and weight loss, because these are the most popular categories right now. After choosing the product, let's move on to the second step. I want you to keep on watching because this step is also crucial for you to earn the most amount of money from this brand new method. So head over to this website, which is Digistore24.com. If you don't know much about this website, let me explain more about what they do. So basically, you can promote different products right on this website, and whenever someone clicks on your link, they will pay you directly to your preferred payment method. What's cool is that this brand new method has a great potential for you to make a lot of money online. So in order to make money from this brand new method, you need to go back to Digistore24.com, sign up for free. After you register, you are now able to log into your new Digistore24.com account. Right here is your very own dashboard. Feel free to explore the dashboard. Moving on, what I want you to do is to click on this button right here which says search and browse for a product, and click on these right here which says promote product to copy the affiliate link for free, and then head over to Shrinkme.io and shorten that link right here. That's very simple, right? You can just watch this video again if you didn't get it the first time. Now this is another crucial part of the process. You have to make sure that you don't skip this part. By now, I'm quite sure you know where we are heading towards. With Shrinkme.io, every time someone clicks on your link, you'll get paid. And if they buy a product, you will also get paid. Right here, I will show you how to make use of that link which you've shortened to make more money on autopilot. So real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video in which I've put a lot of time and energy, I would really appreciate it if you guys tap the like button and make sure you subscribe with notification on. And if we get to 1,000 likes on this video, I'll drop a brand new video next week to show you guys exactly how to make even more money online doing basic stuff like these. Now let's get back to the video. After copying the shortened link, head to these websites which are being visited by millions every month and share our shortened link. Over here, you can use sites like SlideShare, Quora, and other social media platforms. And make sure to insert your shortened link, so anytime someone clicks on that link, you will get paid. If you still don't know how to go about getting clicks on your link, just let me know in the comments section below. You can simply repeat the whole process over and over again so that you can earn more money, and that's it now. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.